Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Muskan Gupta and welcome back to my channel. आज की वीडियो में मैं बहुत important question एड्रेस करने वाली हूँ. That is how to even decide what I need to do before applying for education abroad. Like I get these questions कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मुझे कौन सा कोर्स करना चाहिए, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाना चाहिए. So to answer all these questions for you, I'm making this video. So even before thinking कि मुझे कौन सा कोर्स करना चाहिए या कहाँ जाना चाहिए, the first thing that you need to get an answer to is आपको जाना क्यों है abroad? Is it because कि आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स जा रहे हैं या आपने रील्स देख लिए हैं बहुत सारी कि कहीं कोई यूएस जा रहा है, कोई जर्मनी जा रहा है या कोई इटली जा रहा है. Is that the reason that you want to study abroad or you have other motives? जो भी आपका मोटिव है that should be justifiable to you and your family because you will be giving your time, your energy and money to do this course that you want to pursue. So the reasons should be right. Now that you know कि आपका reason justifiable है and you have a dream to study abroad, then you can move on to the second question कि मुझे course कौन सा करना चाहिए. Now, there can be two scenarios. First कि आप उसी जो आपकी अंडर ग्रेजुएशन में डिग्री थी आप उसी में मास्टर्स करना चाह रहे हैं. Second could be the case you want to switch your domain. Like you did your bachelor's in engineering chemical and now you want to switch to data science. For that, I would recommend कि आपके पास थोड़ा work experience हो to justify your reason for the switch. एंड अगर आपको थोड़ी और क्लैरिटी चाहिए कि मुझे ये डोमेन ही परस्यू करनी चाहिए इवन इफ योर डोमेन वाज सेम इन योर अंडरग्रेड, then what you should do is you should do some projects, you should do some internships or you should have a little bit of work experience to know what the domain is all about. क्योंकि आप एक hefty amount और time देने वाले हैं to pursue this course and after that course if you realize कि ये course तो मेरे लिए था ही नहीं, then I don't want you to waste your time and neither would you want to waste your time. So please try to make an informed decision and try to like experiment a bit during your internships. Like you could take one role in product management, you could take another in software engineering and try different things out to know what your like personality likes to do. For example, if you are an introvert, you will not like a job जिसमें आप हर टाइम बात कर रहे हैं क्लाइंट से बातें करके काम कर रहे हैं. You might want a job that is more quiet or technical जिसमें आप बस कोड करके काम कर रहे हैं and you're good to go. So you might want to explore that. Now that you know कि आपको कोर्स कौन सा करना है, the third question that comes to mind is आपको कहाँ से करना है. Now the course selection is a very crucial step to decide कि आपको कहाँ से करना है ये कोर्स like USA, UK या फिर Germany. Because अगर आपको STEM कोर्स करना है then USA gives you an opportunity to get the ROI, return on investment, क्योंकि वो 3 साल का OPT आपको देते हैं. लेकिन अगर आप एक नॉन स्टेम कोर्स करते हैं तो आपका OPT खाली 1 साल का होता है and you might not be able to get a good ROI in that. So you need to decide कि आपको कौन सा कोर्स करना है and उस कोर्स के बेसिस में you need to do some research कि किस कोर्स के लिए कौन सी कंट्री बेस्ट है. And हर कंट्री का थोड़ा करिकुलम या पैटर्न ऑफ टीचिंग द स्टूडेंट्स इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. लाइक इन USA it's more practical, in Germany it's more theoretical. So you might want to see कि आपको कैसी टाइप की करिकुलम चाहिए for your masters based on your experience in your undergrad and then make a decision. Now that you know all these three things, your reason, your course and the country that you want to study in, now you can move on to the preparation part. What I mean by that is कि अगर आपको जर्मनी जाना है then you might wanna see कि आपको GRE देना पड़ेगा for the universities you want to apply in. Most of the universities don't require GRE in Germany, but some of the prestigious one do. So you might want to see if you want to give GRE or not, and then you require IELTS or TOEFL for your English proficiency test. If you're going for USA, then you have to give GRE or GMAT based on the course that you want, and then IELTS is a must. Similarly, हर एक country का अलग अलग standard test होते हैं to apply for the college application. Now उसी time में जब आप ये preparation कर रहे हैं for the test, you might wanna start researching about how to write a SOP or how to get letter of recommendation or whom to get the letter of recommendations from. So these are the things that you need to pre-prep. तो country आपने sort कर ली, then you know the list of documents that you need to apply for this country, then you can work on gathering these documents or the test scores that you need. Now we come to the timeline part. अगर आप ये सारा decision बना रहे हैं when the application is just about to end for the next year, then please wait a while and apply next year, क्योंकि you want to give these things a little time and आपको हड़बड़ी में ये सब नहीं करना है. So I would recommend कि अपने पास sufficient time रखिए to do all of these things, क्योंकि this will take time and you don't want to do all of it in a rush. So this is what I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you find these questions that I raised very useful when you decide कि आपको जाना है. These are the questions you want to ask yourself, and I have given you a standard way of how you can help yourself answer these questions. But if you still have some doubts on a particular thing, you could just message me on LinkedIn, or you could just comment down below on my YouTube channel, and I will try to help you out. And please like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you.